Hi everyone, this is Kijibo Vlogs, Filipino reactor based in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Ang ganda ko muna itong reaction video, ang Dawn Bell compilation. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Let's check it out, what Dawn Bell has to offer. Ay. Parang baby. Parang baby dito si Belle. Super baby. Parang baby siya, no? Tuwang-tuwa siya. Well, kung ako din naman talaga nang dyan. Actually, hindi pa ako nakapagpa-Hong Kong. Ay, ano? Ay, what's next? Ano to? Ano yan dito? Ay! Gentleman talaga si Dawn. Oo. Siya talaga ang nagbubuhat-buhat for today's video kung ano yung mga binubuhat-buhat dyan ni Johnny. Siya talaga nagbubuhat, oh. Ay, hug. Hug kayo. Hug. Ay, walang hug. Ay. Siyempre. Yan talaga yung yakap ng pagmamahal for today's video. Yakap talaga ng pagmamahal yon, di ba? Yakap ng may karapatan sa andalahin. Ngayon yung sabihin sa akin, ay, Diyos ko, unending birthday yan? Grabe naman yung birthday celebration. Gitera. As your ingiterang friend. As your ingiterang friend, nag-birthday na naman pala si Belle. Bakit ganun? Ay, feeling ko si Donnie nag-organize niyan. Sweet. Full of substance talaga pag magsalita. Yung tipong alam mo yung mabubobo. Actually silang dalawa. Pag ang Dawn Bell nag-start na magsalita, mabubobo ako. Charis, totoo lang. Ay, picture sila, picture. Dali. Ay, cutie. Sana all. Sana all. Ay, alam mo si Belle, ito ha, I have to be honest, pero ang mga makeup din kasi ni Belle parang natural look palagi eh. Pero mas gandang-ganda ako kay Belle kung hindi siya naka-makeup. Dito ba sila nag-hug? Ito yun! Dawn Bell is back in Manila for today's video. So mag-drive na naman ito si Donnie ng pagkalayo-layo para lang makita si Belinda. Ano ko? Kinausap yung sarili. Kinausap si self. Ano yan? Ay, airport ba yan? Tsaka naman ang labas ng airport natin. And they are so happy. Dawn Bell is back for today's video. Oh, this is so magical. Ang ganda na to.
Ay, that matters most to you these days.
Love and time and relationships. I think everything just should center around love, you know.
Sorry, walang pera.
Perfect, but
Sorry,
if you
walang
can
usapang
do your
pera.
best to aim for that. Loving people despite the situation, understanding where people are coming from. Syempre, it's easier said than done, diba? Pero if we could just have more grace towards people. And syempre, time, that's something we can never buy. So, I didn't say money because money can never buy time. If you have time, then that is the most valuable currency.
Hindi naman pala.
And
Kaya
just
naman pala
spend it
walang
with
pera.
People who mean the most to you.
Diba? Meaningful. Full of
Strangers,
substance,
you know, people
right?
who you just want to get to know. People you want to share experience with or talk about your differences. Diba? So there, just having a holistic approach.
Ay, ano to? Ang mga photos nila. Taray, gentleman. Siya din may bit-bit. Siya din yung may bit-bit. Ay, yakap ng pagmamahal. Yan ang sinasabi ko. Yakap ng pagmamahal talaga yan. Yan ang sinasabi ko talaga. Ay, this was from this. Tapos, i-ano nila yung nangyari sa Hong Kong to this. Di ba? From this to this. Tingin? They're so happy. Ay, okay. Happy sila, man. They're so happy. Hindi naman ng cake. Hala, ba't mas cute lalo si Belle kung alam mo yung parang not act like a child, pero parang alam mo yon. Ay, the best friend to sister-in-law. The best friend and sister-in-law for today's video. Ganun. Saan mo siya dalahin? To boyfriend. To best friend. Akala ko naman to best friend to sister-in-law. Nakakaloka ako. Nakakaloka kayo. Wait, Belle and I are in happy place right now. Yes, actually, tinandaan ko talaga. Yung mga ganyang kataga ng in-interview nang naglabas sila ng statement about sa last na lang nila na project for now is ito, there are yung nasa mabuti silang place right now and for now. Yung for now talaga, yung tinandaan ko. So, hindi talaga pwedeng walang continuation to. Hindi ako papayag. Sino ka? Sino ka, KJ? Wala lang. They are so happy. They're literally happy. Wala eh. Happy. Wala tayong magagawa. Happy talaga sila. At hindi nila yan chaotic ba to? Ay, paano kiligin yung mga tantahin? Ito kahapon. Ay. Ay, meron. Ang kulit. Alam mo, no, the moments, no, itong mga fan cam na nakikita ko sa kanila, kung ano talaga sila, consisting for na being sweet. Ay, yun talaga yakap ng may karapatan. May karapatan talaga siya. Yes, oo. May karapatan si Donyo Pangilinan. Oo, sinasabi ko sa inyo. May karapatan siya. Siya lang, wala nang iba. Anyways, so this is our for today's video. This is Kijmo Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!